What's good, guys? What's good? How's everyone doing? It's been a while since we've been here. I've been getting the office set up and everything, so we're finally here. Even the office isn't even fully set up yet, but I decided to stream. Let's make sure we send out this link in the Discord very quickly. Come on. For USD CAD, I'm about to go stops to break even. There we go. So let me put the chat up on my screen just so I can stay in tune with you guys. I don't know if everyone here is aware. I actually just moved to Miami, very, very recently. That's been a new thing in my life here. And we're here trading the red folder news on the U.S. dollar that was the unemployment claims. Before we proceed any further, I need everybody in the stream to absolutely smash the like button, guys. Let's make sure we kill it. Let's make sure there's some sort of incentive to keep coming back, because I don't get paid for these lives. You guys even see I don't even put ads on the lives. Like, come on, guys. So make sure to reciprocate the love. Show me my love. Give me my flowers by just simply hitting that like button. And these are some beautiful trades we're in right now, honestly. I'm just going to go ahead and put the chat on my TV. That way I can stay more in touch with you guys. And guys, I've been super, super active in the free Discord. If you guys want to get a hold of me, that is easily the best place to be. Been just always, just been with my community in there day in, day out. All right, let me get this chat up. $250 people on the stream. Nice. Let's see, how can I get this chat up on the TV? There we go. I'm back, boys. I can see the chat now. Faku, I need to touch base with that kid. some Bitcoin today. See, what's your odd on GP? What's your bias on GP odd? No bias for them. I'm not gonna trade that. I'm looking to trade the USD pairs right now. What's that L sound? Let me see. Maybe it's not set to the right mic. No, it is. I think that should be a little better there. You guys still can't hear me or what? I think that should be better. I'm loving Miami, bro. Honestly, I really am. It's been a vibe. Sorry, guys, I'm locked in. Give me 1 sec, everyone. What do I think of Euro USD? Guys, I don't really have a bias on Euro USD. I mean, I would expect it to go bearish because I'm expecting bullish dollar. This do also got to keep in mind 40 minutes. We have the flash manufacturing. It's predicted to expand. If it follows that suit, then these should all push, continue in that direction. And the US should keep pumping and these should keep shrinking. I mean, EU, I would say it's going to sell. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor. This is entertainment, education, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, you shorter EU? I think that's a good call, bro. So when I send out like that kind of like fundamental bias, like, hey guys, the news came out like this, I'm expecting this to happen. Drop a 1 if you guys actually use that towards your analysis. Like, I want to know if those are actually helping or not. think my goal is to just make sure I'm at least like break even before the next news release if we're not at take profit by then. Only guy I listen now is Ollie. Fire. What laptop do I use? I use just a MacBook, bro. MacBook Pro. Hey Ollie, did you come out of social medias when you started trading? So after trading for about a year and a half, that's when I created the Ollie Trades account. Guys, you guys see this struggle here? Hold on. Show you something. I have to charge my car. And the chargers here, oh, you can't even see it. That sucks. But the chargers here freaking suck. Takes you for 70%, right? I charged my car tonight. I was at like 30%. Or I think I was at 25, right? So I need 75%. I charged it around midnight. Bro, it's telling me it's not going to be done till 3 p.m. There's chargers that can do that thing in 30 minutes, bro. Ridiculous. What prop firm do I use? None of them right now, bro, honestly. It's the idea of a centralized Forex broker. I don't even know. No ideas. Let's see what's up with GU. I feel like it's going to keep... I think the dollar is just very... So the whole idea behind these trades, guys, like I've been loving trading high impact news releases, and it's because it kind of eliminates one side. Like if I see the data come out like this, right? So think about it like this. Right now, the economy has to suffer. If the economy starts to suffer, then we go bearish. What does that mean? It means people have to lose their jobs. That way our inflation can go down. And we just need to shrink, you know? The economy's too big right now. So I was waiting for unemployment claims. All right, forecast is 217,000. That means more people are unemployed, which would be good for us if we can break above that. But we came out not only under the forecast, but under the previous, which to me is like a double whammy. So now we're at 201,000 unemployment claims, which means less people are unemployed, which means the dollar is going to go bullish. Obviously, that's to my understanding. That's not financial advice. So then it tells me, hey, you know what? Only take USD buys. And at that point, I can just wait and look for the scalp to align with that. And just like that, I've already eliminated one side of things. So now you guys can see, I mean, we're getting a pretty solid push here. And it literally just starts to become like almost retail. Like I literally follow trend lines when I do this and just keep it super simple. So that's one trade. This is two trade. And then the third trade is here. And once this one breaks above, I will be going stops to break even on UJ. We're already at stops to break even on USD CAD. I'm expecting take profits to get smacked. But like also, right, let's say we're following trend lines. So let's say we come all the way up there. We break under the trend line. I could just exit this trade. I could just be smart there and exit the trade. So, you know, each one of these trades is moving pretty nicely right now so far. Everyone on the live stream should have been able to get into USD CHF. I took this one right in front of you guys. The other two were near entry, but I was already in with VIP in the signal room. And if you guys want to copy all my trades, the link is in the description. It's literally as simple as that. And yeah, guys, let's just continue to crush it. Someone said your fundamental analysis is the best out there. Thank you, bro. Thank you. That means a lot. Just want to see these break above, bro. Which broker do I use? I use AirFX, and you'll find the link to them in the description. Ali, you're always an inspiration to me. Thank you. Nah, thank you, bro. I mean, you're always on live streams. I see you here, bro. I know you've been active. I know you've been here, and I appreciate that, bro. It's the people who, not the people who show up for the first time. It's the people who consistently show up that really, really, you know, are a huge impact to the growth of this thing. The longevity of those members is huge. I actually just did a podcast yesterday, so I can't wait till you guys see that one. That one's gonna be sick. Someone's up 2.4K right now with the signals. That's fire, bro. Make sure to tag me on Instagram with that. I don't want to speak too early, but I think these will go well. And guys, I do have, I believe, just 10 spots left on the mastermind. So the mastermind is where I'm going to be teaching exactly how I trade. Step by step, piece by piece, fundamentally, technically, psychologically. This is the only place where you will be able to gain this info. I've never taught a lot of this info before. So this is the only place, except for a one-on-one mentorship, that you'll be able to learn it. The link to that will be, if you guys go to where it says copy all my trades, you guys will also see on that page, the wop.com/pipandip, that there is a mastermind right there. You guys can see here, this is a brief explanation of it, but this will be where shit goes down. The people who are going to be a part of this are going to learn so fucking much. It's going to be ridiculous. Then also, guys, I did update the crash course. I don't know why I can't Oh yeah, I updated the crash course. So I added these this beginner phase. This is literally, you guys can see here, this is me sitting with my boys in my parents' dining room, teaching them just gems on gems, bro. Yeah, me literally just sitting there with my boys. And then these were some old webinars I've done. I remember that was the first ever webinar I did. I thought I was so fly wearing those glasses. I thought I was so fly right here, bro. Got the Burberry shirt on. I was wearing the Cartiers. Go over that really quickly. Oh, man, these are gems, bro. Oh, man, I remember I thought I was so fly in this one. Crazy, bro. I think this is back when I had braids. Anyways, back to the trades. Damn. Someone's asking if Faku will be live. Faku will be live again soon, bro. I just keep telling him to send me a couple things that he needs to send me. I want to get him a thumbnail made and shit. He's a good kid. Did I set that one to break even? No, USD CHF wasn't set to break even yet. Just making sure. USD CAD is set to break even. UJ, once we break above that wick, I want to go break even. Faku started his own signal room? No, Faku's part of the Pip and Dip. Can you explain the PMI news? The way I calculate things is the economy growing or is the economy shrinking? If the economy is growing, then you're going to see a bullish pair. If the economy is shrinking, you're going to see a bearish pair. All right, I think that means UJ. Yeah, so I'm going to set my USD JPY stops to break even. Just told the chat. You give some limited offer for the courses? I don't get what you mean. I have a free course. Banger trades, man. Banger trades. Just need UJ to. If UJ wants to hit break even, that's fine, honestly. But I'd rather not get stopped out on it. Especially because I would have felt much stronger if we had like a strong close. Would have given me a lot more confidence in the break even too, you know. But regardless, like trading is all about securing your capital first, not about making it. It's about making sure you're secured. So I just want to make sure at the end of this whole session, I'm fine. Some indecisive minute fives. New minute 5 candle. Just flipping through all of them. Traded with an EA? No. I'm yet to like an EA. I'm just like, I don't trust them. I've seen like those fast pass funding ones. Like, yeah, I understand those. I get that. Like HFT, latency, all that. That makes sense, I guess. I still don't use them, but I can understand why people do. Like, I mean, they do work. But like on a live account, bro, I like doing my own trading. UJ just hit break even. I think USD CAD might hit break even right now. Oh, somebody was asking about the averages. Those are just SMAs, 8 and 50. I use them as like a last confluence. The blue one is the 8. The red one is the 50. I have a feeling UJ is going to keep going, but you got to stay disciplined in these markets, man. Like, there's news in 20 minutes. I don't know. It could be. Oh, of course, bro. Bro, anyone here play FIFA? I have a feeling UJ is going to keep going. Yeah, no, I'm a fucking beast at FIFA, bro. I be liking pro clubs. I just like haven't had much time to play recently, just cause of work. It's a new piece. Yesterday's ice, not today's ice. USDCHF's going pretty good, huh? Someone said they'll beat me in FIFA. How much you trying to put on it? Wagers all day. Wagers all day. All right, bro. So we break above this. Going stops to break even. I just, there's news coming out. I'd rather stay like knowing my position is secure. Even if just one of these hit, like that's very good for us. Let's remove all inactive. This is a 1 to 6. That'll be 12%. USD CAD is a 1 to 5. That's 10%. USD JPY. I mean, it was the least out of them. It was a 1 to 3, which isn't bad, but it was just the lowest risk to reward out of all of them. USD CAD is just heavily ranging right there. Let me remove the UJ text off the screen. You bet 300 what? What currency are we talking? Dirhams, pounds, dollars, US dollars, Australian dollars. What are we talking here? Why are you not giving any trades in the free Telegram? Because I don't have to. I'm juiced up. Ocean spray. I'm pulled up. Let's drink some more today. Yeah, bro. I think QJ will still rock. It's a little unfortunate, but part of the game. In the end, I know that if it hits stop loss, I will have been very happy with that decision. And that's the most important part is if it gets stopped out, what will your reaction be? It's not about if it hits take profit. It's about if it gets stopped out. A lot of people want to look at, oh, I'm going to make this much. But you got to look at how much you're going to lose. So if out of these trades, you know, I get broken even on the one that was going to make me the least amount of money and had already confirmed to me it should be going up and it still reversed, then I'm happy if I made zero on that one instead of losing, you know. TP on USD is 88250. Yo, for the culture effects, what's good, bro? I've been good. How about you? And I've been loving Miami. The move has treated me very, very, very well. Thank God. So, you know, it's been nice. Can you use skills in FIFA? Yeah. Yeah, bro. Let me know if you're ever here. We'll definitely tag up. We'll go get a lunch or something, and you know we'll make it worthwhile. All right, I'm moving my stops to break even on USDCHF. At this point, all trades I'm in have stops to break even. I mean, it's a great push, honestly. It's floating right now, almost to 1 to 3. Very nice move so far. And it's always nice to see the one that you take in front of everyone is like the one that booms. So there is news in 15 minutes. Must keep that in mind. But luckily we have all of our stops secured. So, you know. Coupe came with a masseuse. I'm in the seats massaging. Damn, UCAD might be headed for that break even, it looks like. It's funny because UCAD was the first one I took. Like, it was the first one that looked good to me. USDCHF, I mean, beautiful so far. It's a very high time frame trend line, this red line right here. Good chance it holds. 12 minutes for that news. Somebody said, bro, please reply. I don't get what you mean. Like, I did give a free trade, and it was this one. Like, I took it on the live stream with everyone. I don't know why you keep asking, like, if I'm going to give a free trade. Like, I did. I already did. I think YORKK just hit break even. Oh, no, it didn't. Because I didn't send it in the free chat. Like, if people are on the live stream, they'll be rewarded. You know, they're here to learn everything. But I don't need to send it in the free chat. Like, only chat I need to send my trades to is my paid signal room. That's the only chat I'll be like, yeah, all my trades are going there. The free chat is the free chat. I send updates in there. I do giveaways. That's for that. Occasionally, I'll send a free signal. But I like to send a bias more in there. Like, I sent out, hey guys, unemployment came out lower than expected. I'm looking for this and this. That's, like, in my opinion, a proper free chat. Borderline break even. Break even on USD CAD. And that leaves us with the chosen pair. USD CHF. The last of the three. Nine minutes till this news. Let's see how this goes. Just updating the results, making sure I input break even. Make sure you're with a good broker, and that should not be happening. You only really see that happen on like FOMC, CPI, and like NFP. Don't necessarily see that on all the other releases. Unless you're on a prop firm. Prop firms will fuck you over. Like, they're always looking to slip you. They'll even slip your TP, bro. Like, that shit is so stupid. You can use buy, sell limits, TP, SL on prop firms, and everything will get slipped. It's so fucking stupid. Just want to see this news. I want to see us hit take profit and call that a great trade, a great day, and chillax after that. Gonna enter the same trade. I don't know. Oh my God, Risky Ricky. Shout out to the G. What's up, man? Congrats on the kid. How's the father life? Yeah, man, I'm sure you have been. I know you're already busy before before the kids, so I can only imagine how it's going now. I just moved out here to Miami, so life's been treating me well. This is if you guys don't know who Risky Ricky is, it's definitely someone you need to look into. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. That's I'm very very hyped to have you on here, honestly. Damn, UJ stopped us out and ripped up, man. Break even, but it's all good. USD CAD or whatever. I let that break even happen. USD CHF. We'll see. I think with the news, we should hit TP, but we have stops to break even just in case. That's a very nice push right now. Let me update the text on screen. Come on, man. Let's see what this is looking like right now. Okay. So right now we're at a 1 to 3.4. Yeah, there's a chance to double. This is literally the power of risk to reward, bro. This is sick. It's 1 to 4 right there. Still have 2 minutes left for the news. I was gonna say, where's my camera? I want to record a reel, but then I realized I'm using the camera as a webcam. All right, 30 seconds. See how this goes. Gonna make a little Instagram reel. What's up, guys? Ollie Trades here. Currently on YouTube live stream. We're trading the unemployment and PMI news releases. So off of unemployment, we entered these buys after this drop and this push up over here. I went stops to break even, and this news is about to be released. And we actually just, bro, what's funny is like the break even didn't even slip on my broker. Like, it didn't go that low, but I think it's gonna hit right there on the second drop. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. Like, I'll show you guys the price feed on my, I think it's gonna hit now. Yeah, PMI shrunk. Yeah, see? As I said earlier, on these ones, going break even is all about being happy with if it loses. But I'll show you guys the price feed right here. I'm just trying to pull it up. USD CHF. I think it'll be irrelevant in the end because it's about to hit. And yeah, now it's broken even. So 3 break evens today. I'm fine with that. I, took the risk, took the chance, and secured myself the right way. That's all I'll say. So now we have, as you guys can see, the news came out. See, it's a little contradictory, which is the only reason why I won't change this, because above 50.0 still means industry expansion. So if we have industry expansion, I don't necessarily, yes, one of these did shrink beyond, like below the forecast, but it's still expanding. This one grew past the previous, and to me, it's just conflicting data. So I'm not going to touch that. I'm going to call it there today. 3 break evens. I'm totally fine with that, guys. I didn't lose any money. I had some good trades. Trusted my analysis. They worked out in my favor. I secured myself the right way, and the reversed. And because of that, I didn't lose money. To me, that's a great day. Not every single day on these charts will be a winning day. I hope everyone here understands that concept. I'll give the chat about 3 to 5 minutes if you guys have any questions, and then I'm going to go ahead and hop off just because there will be no more trades that I take today. Which RR do I don't have like a fixed RR, but I usually don't like to use anything less than a 1 to 3. We'll say I'm happy with the management of these trades. Took me a year and a half to become profitable. My strategy, it's fundamentals and just higher time frame analysis, bro. Like, and scalping. I mean, it's a couple things. So what's the payment plans for the boot camp? It would be like 50% up front, 25% before week 1, 25% before week 2. That's like flippable. You can do 25, 25, 50, 25, 50, 25. Simple as that. You can message me on Discord if you want more info on that. Really show them I know. All right, guys, full transparency here. we took a couple trades live on YouTube, and we got broken even on every single one of them. Break even, no TP1, no none of that. Just our one take profit. Not 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we'll hit 3 break evens today. I'm totally fine with that. Not every day we're going to make money, but I was able to secure myself, make sure I'm protected, and I had a nice day. So some stuff to learn from, and we'll be back to kill it tomorrow. Make sure you guys click right there so you guys can always know when I'm going live. Peace out. Full transparency here. For a newbie, would you recommend focusing on just your HTF strategy? For a newbie, focus on the technicals, and then you can learn the fundamentals later. That's how I did it personally. Which pairs have you got your eye on for the rest of the week? Just look here, Forex Factory. So what else do we have? We have tomorrow. Is today Thursday? Don't tell me today's Thursday. Today's Thursday. God damn. I think those might have been our last trades of the week, honestly. Probably going to be back next week. I like trading these high impact news releases. I'll mark up a couple order blocks, like on the higher time frames and stuff. But I think we might be done, man. Well, this might be good. If you look left here, it does look like we are kind of in an order block resting right here. And this might be worth an entry. Oh, fuck. I hate when it's like this. Actually, no, that's fine. That's fine because it's right here. Let's just cross-reference the other time frames. The minute 2 is different. The minute 3 is different. The minute 4 is different. The minute 5 is different. So all those are different. Let's go here. Check this out. No, see, so you would need to see a break below that if we were going to take that lower. Like a candle closure below that. And then I would be looking to set limits right there. Honestly, I wouldn't even have minded taking that. And then I would just be looking, hey, we got all this liquidity over here. And we have a higher time frame fundamental bias that pushed us that direction. Like, I think this could be a great target here. I think, with this big imbalance, geez, I feel weird the way I said it. The big imbalance, I'd want to fill that in. So like at least over here, whatever, that's 1 to 2.6. Depending on the volume, I mean, yeah, you could try to take this a lot further. But I don't know. I do believe that you could take this all the way to here. Let me just, cross-reference a couple of these. Like, do we have a nice order block in play? Damn, I accidentally removed it. There we go. Let's check out gold real quick. I mean, hey, we're in an OB on gold. Right? So let's go to the minute 15. Minute 15 is bigger. Minute 5 goes to right here. Let's check out the minute 1. How does that look? So I doubt that's touching the minute 1 OB, but I'm just going to put a horizontal line right there. And I'm just going to very quickly go to my minute 2. Put a line right there. Text 2. Minute 3. Looks like the 3 and the 2 are exactly the same, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, they are. She's up at 3. Let's look at the 4. It looks like we're going to be on the minute 4. This might work out, low-key. I have a feeling this might be it. Oh, it actually did touch the minute 3. Let's see, so price came here, pulled back, closed under. Closed under. So now we need a break of structure up here. After you see that break of structure, you could be looking for limits set right there. And because it barely wicks right there, I would want to cover the entirety of the low, which is pretty big, honestly. But you would do that. You would look to take this up to here for about a 1 to 3. It's not a bad trade. I'll say that. Let's look at NZD USD. It's kind of like similar. I mean, if it's going to play off of that right there, I don't necessarily think that that's the best OB. But if that's what it wants to play off of, then that's what it wants to play off of. So you go here. You go mark up your minute 1. Let's put our minute 5. Which is this candle right here. And let's go down to other time frames. Just put a horizontal line where those line up. So that's your minute 4. You go here to your minute 3. It's exactly the same. You go to your minute 2. It's exactly the same. You go to your minute 1. And it's a little different, right? Now we have our 5, our 4, and our 1, which we're going to be focused on. Let's see live chart what happened. You look at the minute 4. You know, it didn't necessarily give you that break of structure you wanted because you had this pull down, pull back up, and then this doesn't close below there. So finally it breaks right there. Now you needed a strong close above here, which we haven't received yet. So once again, it's another thing that's just kind of tricky right there. But at that point, what I would do is I would put this candle here, boom, 4.5 pips, and I'll be looking to take this further up to just about right here, 1 to 7. I hope you guys are like truly like understanding these models because this is like, these are gems right now, live market gems, right? And it's easy to show something beforehand, but what's not easy is showing up on the day of and actually executing. Like not anybody can just execute, and that's where the difference between a lot of these traders is. Like anybody can teach it. I know some great teachers. I know people who know so much more than me on the charts. Like they know every single thing, but when it comes to actually showing up the day of, hopping on the charts, they don't know shit. That's just the truth. You have to know. Let's look at Euro USD. I mean, this might be the last. I don't think I looked at EU and GU, so I don't like it. I think GU's already given its direction. I think GU we might be able to capitalize on like a breakout kind of like this. I want to see like pull back, give like another decent rejection type shit. Try to be patient here, patient and smart. Patient and smart. Either gives us what we need, or we don't touch it. I'm gonna go hit the gym in a bit. Yeah, see? Literally said it. Either gives us what we need. No, there is no entry for GU yet, bro. I'm not in anything. The entry would have been 327, but I'm just trying to be smart here, bro. Like, I have to make sure that you're essentially moving with the right direction. Oh yeah, I'm tired. Yeah, I mean, the data was conflicting. Someone said, what's the significance of candle closing in a zone and candle closing to break a structure? Just stronger confluence to me, bro. Like, just through data, like through different setups I've tested it with a lot of data. I've seen that those ones are just stronger confluences. I feel like because it's able to close there and not wick, it's not like a target for other people. Because keep in mind, like, someone's entry is someone's exit. So, like, is my entry going to be a target for somebody to exit? Meaning, if I'm trying to buy, the section I'm buying in, is it a pullback for them? And then they're going to sell and hit my entry as their take profit? So it's, looking at things like that. Man, I'm so glad that we stayed patient today, guys. I mean, look at this. Like, just literally as simple as we decided to play our cards right today. And it paid off. Big time it fucking paid off. Let's look at the higher time frame here. Yeah, I mean, I think we've handled today very well. Conflicting news. I don't want to touch it anymore. And I'm going to call the stream there, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, everyone who made it through the whole hour. I really appreciate you guys. And make sure you guys like the stream. Everybody should be fucking liking the stream. It takes 2 seconds to like it. Make sure to go like it up. And I'll catch you guys in the